Have you ever wondered how some architecture professionals handle project management with such ease? Well, some of the secrets lie in the tools they use and the strategies they employ. Today, we're going to explore some of these techniques, specifically tailored for those prepping for Division 2, Project Management of the Architecture Registration Exams. We'll cover the project notebook, meeting tips, meeting notes, and even how to combat project perfection syndrome. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and start with the first tool in our project management kit, the project notebook. The project notebook is a master key to successful project management. It's not just a collection of papers, but a living document that evolves with each project. It's a vital tool that organizes and archives everything from the initial concept to the final follow-up. So, what makes a great project notebook? Let us break it down. Firstly, the general reference. This is your go-to section for any necessary information about the project at a glance. Next, contracts. Here, you keep all your legally binding agreements, ensuring they're always within reach. Then we have fees and schedules. It's where you monitor expenses and track timelines. The programming section is where you outline your project's requirements and objectives. The budget section keeps your financial compass in check. Job communication logs all correspondences, while construction administration monitors construction progress. Finally, the closeout and follow-up section ensures all project aspects are finalized and any loose ends tied up. Master the project notebook, and you have a powerful tool at your disposal. Meetings, a necessary evil, or an opportunity for effective collaboration? The choice is yours. To make the most of your meetings, start by stating the purpose clearly. Only schedule a meeting if it's absolutely necessary and invite the right team members. It's helpful to require everyone to turn off their cell phones, and don't forget to send a reminder email to all participants the day before. Arrive early and start on time. If there's a lot to accomplish, consider arranging the meeting in shifts, so team members only need to be in attendance for their portions. Digitally online meetings can be a great time and money saver too. If you're leading the meeting, delegate note-taking and driving any visual aids to other team members. Be considerate of everyone's time and establish an end time. Swiftly organize and share your notes, meeting minutes, and action items as soon as the meeting is over, while the information from the meeting is still fresh on your mind. Schedule any necessary follow-up meetings at the end of each meeting to avoid scheduling delays. Remember, a well-organized meeting saves time, money, and a lot of headaches. Now let's talk about the unsung hero of every meeting, meeting notes. In the hustle and bustle of meetings, it's easy to overlook the importance of taking and organizing notes. But remember, these notes are your lifeline. They help you capture key decisions, assign responsibilities, and track progress. They're essential for effective follow-ups, and they serve as a valuable reference for future meetings or, God forbid, a lawsuit arises from a project at a later time. So, make it a point to prepare and share meeting minutes and action items promptly. Good meeting notes are the backbone of effective follow-ups and future references. Ever encountered or heard of project perfection syndrome? It's more common than you think. This syndrome often manifests itself in situations such as when contractual and office quality standards have been met, but the designers or production staff are not satisfied. They desire to continue refining and improving the design. This natural tendency can turn into an obstacle, and it can mean the difference between a profit and a loss on the job, with no real noticeable improvement to show for the extra time spent. This is the trap we fall into when we get so caught up in making every detail perfect that we lose sight of the overall project. It's a snare that can lead to unnecessary delays and increased stress levels. So instead of striving for absolute perfection, focus on making steady progress. Break down complex tasks into manageable parts and celebrate small victories along the way. The project manager plays a crucial role in curbing this tendency by ensuring that everyone on the project team understands how much time is budgeted for each task and which tasks must be completed. Remember, progress over perfection, always. Let's wrap up what we've learned in this video. We dove into the importance of a well-structured project notebook, explored effective meeting tips to streamline communication, and discussed the necessity of comprehensive meeting notes. We also touched on avoiding project perfection syndrome, reminding ourselves that striving for progress, not perfection, is key. Remember, these are tools to help you master project management and excel in your architectural career. Apply these techniques and you're well on your way to completing the project management exam and becoming a better architect. Good luck!